in the bowl. You have to take any one, write down longest word from that given letter within 1 minute. The correctly spelt word will get 1 point for each letter. For example, if you are writing funny, then you will get 5 marks for this as FUNNY. The last letter written by the first participant will be the first letter for the next participant. So let's start the show. Good luck.
Understood? Now
Understood? Is it clear?
First I'm going to give you the slips that who is going to start. So in the wherever you will have number 1, and I have also written the name of the house. So you have to first come and pick up the slips and then you will go accordingly. Right? Come all for a
house
few.
slips तो can be picked up by these students also.
These ones?
Now
Yeah.
house choice so they can do. Naman, do it. See how happy he is. Good, good. Yes. So first one to come is
Greenhouse. So greenhouse will start the game and then we will keep proceeding. So green, we can go like this. Green, you will start, then red, yellow and blue.
Okay, Veer. So now you have to choose. Very good.
Please give him the mic.
S.
So sir, you will say start and then he will start writing. Wait. You
Start.
will say start. Oh my God, yes. I think Veer has written the longest word of the time which students might have learned. He has written the word, sir.
but you need to check whether it is
Now you
correct
need
also or
to
not.
tell us
Spell
the
it.
spellings because I cannot understand few of them.
Spell each and every letter.
SUPERLIFRAGILISTICISPIALIDOCIOUS.
Wait, you will have to repeat slowly. Veer, there is enough time. Repeat slowly so that
S.
ma'am can cross check.
SUPERLIFRAGILISTICISPIALIDOCIOUS.
Oh, was it correct or not?
Yes, sir. The word was absolutely correct. Now we need to count the letters.
Speak in mic, please.
Yes, sir. This word is correct. We are
Till-
just checking the letters
Till end.
till end. Yeah. It means very good, extremely good.
34 letters.
34 letters.
34 letters. Wonderfully done. What a
Great, great.
brilliant child. Greenhouse, you people are really going to have a great benefit of
On
this.
the board.
So 34 points to Greenhouse.
34 points. Now next, Red House.
So Red House has got the starting word as S because Greenhouse ended with S. So like it is a word chain, we are going to begin with S now.
Start.
That's it? Yes. So the word is a superlative which he has written correctly spelled. So letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters used in the word. Thank you, beta. So Red House gets 11 points for this round.
Next is green.
No, yellow.
Now the next is Yellow House. So your letter is E. You have to start from E.
Peace, service, and unity.
So she has written excommunication.
Yes, the word she has written is excommunication, and the letters used are 15. So correctly spelt word. Congratulations to Yellow House. Last but not least, we have Sonakshi coming from Blue House.
So your letter is N.
Start.
So she has written nitrochloroform. She has wrongly spelled. H has to be there.
So yes, she has tried spelling nitrochloroform, but there was one letter missing. So Blue House gets no point for this round.
Now I would like to call students of grade 7, Akshita from Yellow House, Ruksarpreet from Blue House, Jasmine from Green House.
Wait. Blue House has written correct till C, no? Nitroc. Give them 6 points.
Okay, thank you.
Should not be completely 0. Effort was there.
So Sonakshi, you got 6 points. Okay. So now we are going to start with candy bowl round. In this round, all 4 houses will pick up the letters from the bowl together, and you will get 1 minute for writing. Paper and pen is already kept on your table. You can write as many words as possible in 1 minute duration. There are some exceptions to this round. Kindly listen to them. You are not supposed to write any singular or plural forms of the nouns. Only one form will be considered in this scene. Same in the verb form, only first form will be considered. Write words using 4 letters and above. Don't write names of persons and places. Good luck.
Yashpal, say you have to say start, then we'll start fighting.
Then they will sit down, hurry up.
Sit.
Get settled down.
Ready? Please show your letters to audience. So Yellow House has got K, Blue House has got P, Green House got M, and Red House has got J. Shall we start, sir?
Start.
Meditation to get the divine connection.
Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Sharing and caring is our way. We study, read and love to play.
We study, read and love to play.
Be safe and truthful at our school and come.
Stop. The time is over. Thanks, participants. You can go back to your seats. Now, by the time teachers are counting these words and they are checking it out, we can start with the next round. So, I would like to call Harsh from Yellow House, grade 8, Geetika from Blue House, Harshita from Green House, Seerath from Red House for the rapid fire round. So, participants, there are 4 envelopes on the table. Okay, you have to come and you have to take any one of these and hand it over to me. Within 1 minute, you have to spell as many words as possible. You will get 1 mark for each correctly spelled word.
Start from Red House.
Okay, Red House,
Opposite
come
order.
fast. Hurry up. No, envelope.
So shall we announce the scores for the previous round? Okay, for the previous round, Yellow House has scored 9 points, There were 13 words written but 9 correctly spelt words. Yellow house 9 points. Blue house wrote 19 words, out of them 17 are correct, so 17 points for blue house. Green house wrote 12 words, sorry, red house wrote 12 words, out of 12 6 are correct. Green house wrote 15 words, out of 15, sorry, 16 words, out of them 12 are correct. So 12 points for greenhouse.
Decagon,
DECAGON,
hexagon,
HEXAGON,
equation,
EQUATION,
carbohydrate,
CARBOHYDRATES,
nutrients,
NUTERENTS,
protein,
PROTEINS,
minerals,
MINERALS,
vitamin,
VITAMINS,
dietary,
DIETARY.
deficiency,
Skip.
diseases,
DISEASES,
obesity,
OBESITY,
scurvy,
SCURVY,
rickets,
RICKETS,
anemia,
AN
Stop. Complete your word.
ANEMYA.
okay, greenhouse, come here. Thank you.
Start.
SIGHED,
Very good. Jubilant,
JUBILANT,
exhaustion,
EXHAUSTION,
tranquilizer,
TRANQUILISER,
stimulation,
STIMULATION,
immense,
IWMENSE.
menace,
Skip.
enormous,
ENORMOUS,
gigantic,
GIGANTIC,
extinguish,
EXTINGUISH,
smothered,
SMOTHERED,
covetous,
COVETOUS,
gleaned,
GLEANED,
persuaded,
PERSUADED,
envious,
ENVIOUS,
withered,
WITHERED,
mysterious,
MYSTERIOUS,
equipment,
EQUIPMENT,
degenerated,
DEGENERATED,
dimensions,
DIMENSIONS,
confidential,
CONFIDENTIAL,
meek,
MWEK,
hysterical.
HYSTERICAL.
Stop. So we asked her 23 words and she spelled 21 words. Blue house. Come.
Start.
Increased.
INCRESED,
Coordinate.
COORDINATE.
Shared.
Skip.
Sum.
SUN,
Product.
PRODUCT,
Expression.
EXPRESSION,
Numerator.
NUMERATOR,
Denominator.
DENOMINATOR,
Probability.
PROBABILITY,
Angle.
ANGLE,
Addend.
ADDEND,
Median.
MEDIAN,
Estimate.
ESTIMATE,
Decreased.
DECREASED,
Equation.
EQUATION,
Average.
AVERAGE,
Leftover.
LEFTOVER,
Fewer.
FEWER,
Quarter.
QUARTER.
So we asked her 18 and she spelled 17 correct words. Next, yellow house. Please come. There is no option, so you have to go with this one only. Ready?
Start.
Area.
AREA,
Perimeter.
PERIMETER,
In circumference.
CIRCUMFERENC,
Congruent.
CONGRUENT,
Equilateral.
EQUILATERAL,
hexagon,
H X U N,
intersecting,
I N T E R S E C T I A N G,
parallelogram,
P A R A L L E L O G R A M,
segment,
S A G M A N T,
perpendicular,
P R P N D I C U L A R,
circumscribe,
C I R C U M S C R I B E,
quadrilateral,
Q U A D R I L A T E R A L,
pentagon,
P N T H U N,
hypotenuse,
H Y P O T E N U S E,
congruency,
C O N G R U E N C Y,
symmetry,
S Y M E T R Y,
circle,
C A R C L E,
intersecting,
I N T R S C C T I N G.
stop. Thank you.